What's up, dude? This is my little homemade filter that my buddy Michael made. It's really cool, man. Works fucking great. Little bio ball. Got a little hole there on the side and another one on the other side with the tube. But there's another little tube that's supposed to come out of that hole without just the hole in the side of the thing, but I freaking dropped it inside the thing and I just haven't got around to fixing it. And here's another drop. It just drips, but all it does is throw bubbles out, so it's pretty fucking sweet. There's that fool. You know, got a bunch of freaking mid-sized goldfish. There he is. He's trying to turn around. There's a power head that I have upside down. Goes to this thing. Goldfish. Goldfish. Fucking Oscars. Assholes. And there's that little fucking gar. That fucking asshole. Oh, look at that. Look at that fucking size of that goldfish. I don't know if you can get it in, dude. He might fucking die tonight, because he's already eaten 2 of those. And that goldfish is fucking medium size, too large. Video totally doesn't do justice. He's trying to get it in his fucking mouth. I don't know if he can, though. He surprised me earlier. He got one pretty good size one in there. Let me go down here. Fucking Oscars. Faggots. There it is, the killer wolf. Let's go back to this guy. See if he eats it. So far he's doing it. I don't know if he could do it though. See his stomach, he's already got 2 large goldfish in there. Hope his ass don't die, because he's a pretty good specimen. But he has a wider head almost. He's got a wider head than the big one. Way fucking wider. So I don't know, I got faith in him. There he goes. Come on, dude. Suck him down. He's almost got him turned. Damn. Look at that. Look at that shit. Holy fuck, he got him. Holy shit. Look at that. Holy shit. Holy shit. Looks like a fucking stork. Albatross or whatever the fuck those things are called with the... Oh my god, he did it. Wow. He's gonna fucking die. That's it, dude. He's dead. He's just gonna get stuck. Wow. I can see every time he opens his mouth, fish start sliding in a little deeper. Wow. You can see the top of his head. Totally, the top of his snout totally expanded. Damn, dude, you can't. That's fucking crazy. Fucking goldfish. Size of his fucking head. And he fucking sucked it down. And over here, see the little Oscar eggs all over the place, but the ones on the bottom are extra large. And I swear I could almost see something in there squirming around. I don't know. There. Oh, you let it go? I think I had one over here. I think you let it go. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a fucking blue whale. Oh look. Maybe this guy will fucking kill something right now. He likes the camera. Come on, fool. You fucking goldfish, asshole. Do it. There you can see the Oscars in contrast. You know, size difference to the wolf. This guy is fucking gonna choke to death. There it is. See it. think he backs his nose. Yeah. Got nice green spots though. This guy. You might be able to see some of his war wounds. The back of his tail, you see it? That's where the fucking scar had his ass. I don't know if he ate. Looks like he's got a little belly on him, but not too large. I just threw him 50 minnows just for him. This guy over here, he's probably fucking drowning. Look at that. Wow. Might have to fucking go in there. Emergency operation and pull that shit out. With a fucking paper clip. There it is, fucking ostrich. They're probably gonna spit the food out like they always do. Leave me dead goldfish. I hate these fucking assholes. They kill the fucking goldfish and they don't eat them. They eat part of them and they just leave them there dead. They better fucking eat it though. Eat it, bitch. Yeah, dude, I'm about to throw these fuckers out. I don't care if they fucking breed or not. There's my boy. Oh, what the fuck? This guy's been bitching out, man. He's been fucking letting him go. Faggot. Get a little closer look. Fucking teeth. Yeah, my camera sort of sucks, so it's hard to get a closer look, but you can see how nice and dark he is on the sides. Mean motherfucker. Those are the snails I was telling you about. Whole bunch of them that my buddy has. I just haven't had a chance to get him to bring him over. Look at that. Fuck, dude. He's gonna die. He's dead. He has to die. He's got too much fucking food in him. Fuck, I can't even swim. He's dead. Fucking asshole. Perfectly good guard down the drain. Wow, look at that. He sure is fucking big, man. I guess he's trying to get up and breathe. I sort of regret throwing in all these fucking goldfish, dude, at the same time. Fuck. Yeah, there's the eggs again. Notice there's some on top. All nice and fuzzy, which I'm assuming is fungus. But, the ones right behind the freaking wolf, they're way, way larger. It's like those are, some of them might even hatch, which would be freaking cool. There goes that stupid Oscar. Trying to eat a goldfish. Fucking asshole. Look at that shit. He's either choking on it or he's gonna fucking spit it out. Look, there it is. More eggs on top. Eggs all over this plant. Dirty as fuck, but there's a bunch of eggs on it. Eggs on the fucking suction filter. Little snail. Camera shy. It's alright, dude. You can kind of see the sizes of the gars. You can totally see how that other little fucking bastard's catching up to the big one. Fucking Oscar, you better eat that fucking dead fish. See if I can smash it. Smash his fucking guts over here. We can get him to sink. Oh shit. I missed the tank. Fuck. There's the other guy. Go check out the little purple wolf. There he is, the purple wolf. I gotta keep him by himself because he's a fucking asshole. Dick. He's a dick. Kills whatever I throw in there. It's only cool watching him fucking eat goldfish in here. Yeah, he's one of the little dinos. Look at that. See if you can eat goldfish. That guy's pretty big. He was about 2.5 inches when I got him. Here's the biker. Fucking snail. You can't see the reds. They're hiding in that fucking log. Probably can't see this shit, but you know what? He's nice and red. There's one in there. Someone with a patch of blue kind of coming out on his face. Here's my plump. This fucking snake, dude. He eats. He don't fuck around. There's my filter. Turn the light out to get a better look. Look at that. I like that shit. Fucking homemade orama. Might be able to see a red tail right there. That red one. Another red. It's hard. This fucking camera sucks, so it's hard to see anything. The fucking snail's getting big, so. And these guys stay hiding that fucking log and they never come out. See the tail, you can see the red on it. Real dark ass red compared to what it used to be. I'll leave these guys alone for a minute. Shit, you can even see a little bit of red on that eel. It's coming out. Man, that guy's either gonna get really big or he's gonna die. This guy, I think I see a little belly on him. Not sure though. Yeah, you see the bite marks in the back? By the tail? Thought this fucker was goner. Alright, man. So now I gotta see if I can fucking send this shit to you. Sorry, later.